Today, we're taking a deep dive into HodlBot, an automated crypto trading bot designed to help users manage and optimize their portfolios without constant manual oversight. If you've been looking for a tool to help automate your cryptocurrency trading strategy, stick around as I break down everything you need to know about this platform, including my own experience using it. Let's start with the basics. HodlBot is a trading bot that connects to your exchange account and automates trades based on predefined strategies. It primarily focuses on portfolio rebalancing, meaning it helps users maintain a diversified crypto portfolio by adjusting their holdings based on market movements. It's compatible with major exchanges like Binance and Kraken, making it accessible to a wide range of crypto traders. The platform offers a simple yet powerful approach to crypto investing. Instead of constantly buying and selling manually, HodlBot helps users set a strategy and let automation do the work. One of its standout features is the ability to create custom indices, allowing traders to track specific market segments or create their own diversified crypto portfolio. It also provides backtesting capabilities, so you can analyze historical performance before deploying a strategy with real funds. Navigating the user interface is fairly intuitive. After connecting your exchange API, you could either use one of HodlBot's pre-built index strategies or create a custom strategy. The dashboard provides clear insights into your portfolio's performance, historical trades, and allocation adjustments. The setup process is straightforward, making it beginner-friendly while still offering depth for more experienced traders who want to fine-tune their approach. One of the major selling points of HodlBot is its automatic portfolio rebalancing. Instead of manually adjusting your asset allocation, the bot rebalances your portfolio at regular intervals, helping you maintain a diversified investment strategy without being glued to the charts. This is particularly useful for long-term investors who want to take a systematic approach rather than making frequent emotional trades. Now, let's talk about pricing. Unlike many other trading bots that charge a percentage of profits or have complex pricing structures, HodlBot offers a flat-rate subscription model. At the time of this review, it costs around $3 per month for smaller portfolios and scales up depending on your investment size. This pricing structure makes it an attractive option for traders looking for a budget-friendly automation tool without excessive fees cutting into their profits. Many useful links can be found in the description, so be sure to check them out after watching the video. In terms of security, HodlBot does not have withdrawal permissions on your exchange account, meaning it can only execute trades but cannot move your funds. This is a crucial security measure, as it minimizes risks associated with API-based trading. However, as with any trading bot, it's important to use two-factor authentication and follow best security practices when connecting third-party tools to your exchange account. Now, how does HodlBot actually perform? From my experience, the bot works as advertised. The automated rebalancing is efficient, and the ability to create custom strategies allows users to tailor their trading to fit specific goals. It's particularly useful for those who believe in a diversified, long-term approach to crypto investing. However, like any trading bot, it's not a magic money printer. Profits depend on market conditions and the chosen strategy. If the market is down, the bot will not prevent losses. It simply executes trades based on the selected parameters. Another important factor to consider is that HodlBot is best suited for users who prefer a hands-off approach. If you're someone who actively trades based on news events or short-term price action, this might not be the right tool for you. However, if you want to automate your investments and reduce emotional trading decisions, HodlBot can be a great asset. Overall, my experience with HodlBot has been positive. It's easy to set up, offers valuable automation tools, and provides a transparent pricing structure. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but for traders looking to maintain a disciplined, systematic approach to crypto investing, it's a solid option. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more honest reviews and crypto insights. See you in the next one.